What does display none actually do to an element? It's more powerful than you might think. When you apply display none to an element, it's completely removed from the visual rendering. The browser acts as if the element doesn't exist in the layout at all. It takes up zero space in the document flow. Elements before and after it collapse together as if the hidden element was never there. This is different from just hiding something. Display none fundamentally removes the element from layout calculations. This is where display none differs from visibility hidden. Both hide the element visually, but visibility hidden preserves the space. The element is invisible, but still takes up room in the layout. Display none removes that space entirely. Think of visibility hidden as an invisible placeholder, while display none is complete removal. Here's the key detail. Display none only removes the element from rendering, not from the DOM. The element still exists in the document structure. You can still access it with JavaScript, query it with selectors, and manipulate it. You can even toggle it back to visible by changing the display property. This makes display none incredibly useful. It's perfect for toggle menus that shouldn't affect layout when hidden. It's great for conditional content that needs to be completely removed from the flow. And it's essential for responsive design where elements need to disappear on certain screen sizes without leaving gaps. Remember, display none removes elements from layout entirely while keeping them accessible in the DOM. Practice this on Interview Mentor to master CSS visibility concepts. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.